In just 9 days, the mask mandate in Mecklenburg County will be over. But as we turn the page on this chapter of the pandemic, there are still two big questions to answer here. What's the future of masks, and are we really ditching them for good? And what does all of this mean for masks in class? We have live team coverage of both of these big stories this evening.
And first up, we want to bring in Kendall Morris with this latest move in Mecklenburg County. And kind of another layer here, Kendall. Governor Cooper, we just heard today, endorsing, encouraging local governments across the state to end their mask mandates. So is this a turning point, do we think?
Yeah, Vanessa, based on what we're hearing from local and state health leaders, they are saying that it is. Now, while COVID-19 is likely here to stay, health leaders say it is time to start looking ahead to managing the virus in the long term.
It's almost time to take the masks off in Mecklenburg County. The end of the countywide indoor mask mandate marking a pivot in the way health officials deal with the pandemic.
Now is a good time for us to begin this transition to what I've phrased as COVID response 2.0.
The Mecklenburg County health director not saying masks will never be needed again, but community-wide health measures and decisions will be based on more than just the number of COVID-19 cases.
It is important for us to understand sort of what impact it's having on severe illness. Are people sicker? Are people dying more frequently? As well as the capacity of our important systems like our healthcare systems, our emergency management systems.
Businesses across Mecklenburg County will now have the choice whether to enforce masks. A spokesperson for the YMCA of Greater Charlotte saying members will no longer have to wear masks indoors, but masks will be available for those who choose to use them. The owner of Salon Zen in the Steel Creek area says it will still be requiring masks a little while longer while COVID metrics remain high. Health leaders urging people to determine what their own health precautions are moving forward.
That does include masking, that includes vaccination, that also includes testing and staying home if you're sick and avoiding contact with other people, as well as self-contact tracing.
Mecklenburg County moving into managing COVID-19 for the long haul.
And to hear the full interview with Mecklenburg County Public Health Director Dr. Raynard Washington, make sure that you tune in to Flashpoint at 11 a.m. on Sunday morning right here on WCNC Charlotte. Live in Uptown, Kendall Morris, WCNC Charlotte.